In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file in Expedition 33 and unlock everything instantly. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and check WinRAR and check open with WinRAR. Press on keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Now open the sand file, saved, save games, random number. Before dropping the save, backup your game progress. Right click on blank area and check new and check folder. Drag and drop your game save file inside this location. And now drag and drop the 100% save. Launch the game. Once you are in game, select continue and select this profile that says playtime 0000. Select confirm and the 100% save successfully loads up. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you.